You were asking if you can have a Word document with a table inside of it that has filters like in the Excel, like in a previous video. So I thought, why not show it directly into a video? I didn't know if it's possible to have it in Word directly, but you can actually add an Excel spreadsheet into the Word document. So it's a bit of a combination of a Word document and an Excel file. So I want to insert an Excel file. I want to insert a table here that can be filtered, and from here, somewhere in the menus, you can insert a table. So you have the option to insert a table, and you choose the number of rows, how many rows you want, and then you start typing here like this. But you can also insert a table, but an Excel spreadsheet. That's interesting. So you could even have quick tables, some templates, calendars, and different schedules. Calendar is nice. So from insert here, in the top of the ribbon, however it's called, you connect. You go to insert, then table, Excel spreadsheet. Click on that one. And it's really, you have an Excel within the Word file, and you can adjust the margins. I don't know how easy it is to move this around, but I think it can be formatted like a regular table. So yeah, when you're not into editing mode, it looks like a regular table, and you can even, I don't know a better way to do this. Yeah, maybe not leave. Yeah, it moves table, so I can make a bit of indentation there. So I double click on this. Let's have two spreadsheets. So I go into spreadsheet 1, and let's see which one it shows like this. So let's edit the Excel file. So this will be ID, name, completed, some. Yeah, this is very awkward. I don't know. I think it's very awkward like this. I guess you could have it like that. So you have ID, name, and completed. And in ID, we make a series, and name. So look on the ribbon here on top. When I click inside, I double click and it changes to a Word document, but it's actually with Excel ribbon. So data filter, and I would say I want to see only Alice. So it will be only that one in the Excel. So it's working. And later, if I want to edit this part, it will also change to this one row. And I'm curious actually to see about this text, how it's expanding, if it's actually there's nothing here. So let's put Bob, and it's expanding as it should. So when there is there are more rows in the Excel, the actual text of the Word document goes further down to make room for it. So this is good. If I select all of them, it's doing that. Okay, let's make this gray. Print, and it shows me even the filtering arrows here. That's nice. If you don't want that, you can double click on the file and disable them, but you lose the filtering. So this is the trade-off. So if I want only Alice and Bob and print this, yeah, I get them. Alice and Bob, and let's print to PDF. Save the file to desktop, and let's see how it looks like once printed. It's a bit strange how this thing looks like. So I open this file, and as expected, you have your formatted Word document as a PDF, and then the table, the whole table, but here you don't see the arrows, the little arrow in the PDF, and also the page 2 from the Word document. So that works. Wow. I don't know why someone would want to have this. If you have something like this in Word, maybe actually what you need is an Excel file that is made to print, because in Excel you can choose which area to print, and maybe this is really what's needed. But in any case, it's possible to have an Excel file inside the Word document as an object like this, and even editable. It takes a bit of time to open it, but it's because they are part of the Office, the same software programs. They should be able to work together, and they do seem to work together. Maybe not perfectly, but yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer to have this kind of setup where you have Excel in a Word document, and why you want to do that. And also if you use Office, if you use Word more instead of the Google Docs, and why choose Office instead of Google Docs. I actually use Google Docs more, but I know that Office is more popular, and it's used by a lot of people, especially at work. Yeah, at work I use Google. At work I use Office because it's what's there. But I would be pleasantly surprised for a workplace that has Google Docs, where you have the same collaborative. Maybe Office is easier now with Teams and all the integration with Skype and everything, but for a home computer, I actually try to get rid of all those extras. Usually you just want to edit something quickly, mostly print it. This is open a Word document and print it. That's why I have Word at home. And instead of Excel, I use Google Sheets. It's pretty good. I mean, on the phone you can edit the files, and it's free. Now also Office 365 has a free version for web, only web. So yeah, I actually tried Office 365, Microsoft 365. So maybe that's gonna be, there's already a video about that, about the function for sequence. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.